Good morning, everybody. We're here just on the outskirts of Maiorca near Figueira da Foz, looking at this lovely property which has 7,000 square metres of land to the back there. You can see it goes past this fence which is close to us and straight down to the bottom where those canes are growing. Little irrigation ditch at the bottom. They're currently two separate articles, but they can be joined together, and then the land at the bottom should become urban, so you could possibly build on it a few bungalows or chalets, or maybe even a swimming pool. Has a small building to the side here where they used to keep chickens, and it's currently connected to a septic tank, which you can see just down here. Although there is main sewage available currently at the front of the property. Sorry, my colleague's phone's just going a bit nuts. Anyway, we'll head around the side here, down a little ramp and into the property itself. So, water meter down below there and electric meter over here. So, in we go through the side door into the kitchen. Nice traditional space for the fireplace there, and gas boiler for heating the water. I'll just step back in this corner here and pan around. In fact, I might try and pop on wide angle lens so we get a bit more view. So, kitchen. And through this door here would have been a little storage room just under the stairs at the moment, which take us up to the first floor. But we'll see that in a second too. I'll just spin around so you can see the rest of the kitchen. There you go. Now, through the door here, we have a corridor which is the full length of the property. To our right is the end of the corridor, and to the left is a door out to the back of the property. Immediately across from the kitchen, we have one room here, which is attached to the bathroom. Bathroom seems to have been installed maybe 10 years ago. So shower, toilet, bidet, wash hand basin, and also a space for a washing machine as well in the corner there. I'll just back out so you get more view of the bathroom, back into what could be a bedroom or maybe a small living room. View out the back of the land is very, very nice. Once again, that can be converted into urban. So, pan round, nice parquet floor, cement ceilings. Back into the corridor, we look to the right, down the corridor, then to the left is the staircase going upstairs, which we'll have a quick look at as we are here now. You can see the structure of the roof is eucalyptus with tiles on top, two windows one either side, and then a cement floor there. Back down we go. Back into the corridor. To the left, two more divisions, one on the left, another bedroom, one on the right, another bedroom here, and then out the back, the land, which goes up to the neighbour there, and then is the land at the back as well. We'll just head down here if I can get past this bush, because there is also a small division downstairs. So underneath here, storage room for keeping garden tools and maintaining ventilation of the floor above. So there you have it. Another one here, 5 minutes away from Figueira Beach Resort, and a good property with a good amount of land.